welcome back to our channel. It's Team Stevens TV Talk, bringing you another video. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, is our summer backyard transformation, or our summer patio transformation. So if you're interested in how we revamp our patio, stay tuned. Okay, so this is what the patio looked like before I started on the makeover. The two chairs and table that you see there, I actually found on Facebook Marketplace for about 65 bucks. And so that I was going to use that in my transformation. As you can see, it's really dingy looking. And so in order to fix that problem, I had my dad power wash the concrete. He just cleaned out everything so that I could have a nice clean slate to work with. And this is what it looked like after the power wash. It's so nice and clean. Okay, so I decided to add a few coats of paint just to spruce up that furniture, and I decided to go with black. I just thought black would be a neutral color that I could work with. So as you can see, I'm just spray painting and making sure that all sides are covered. I wanted to add a cute little touch to the backyard with some rocks, so I'm laying down some landscaping trimming, the Vigoro no dig edging that I got from Home Depot. So we're prepping the grass, trying to lay down the plastic bags to keep the grass from growing through, but obviously we didn't do a very good job, but it's okay. So we're just laying down some trash bags, and then we're placing the rocks on top of it like this. And here is Chris helping to pour the rocks. Okay, so I'm adding some solar LED lights just to kind of give it a little extra flare. And I kind of stuck them in the grass so that they can kind of charge up, because the overhead, it's a covered patio, so it was kind of hard for the sun to reach it. So that's what I'm doing here. These were some of the items that I purchased. I got them from Walmart, Target, Home Goods, Burlington, and the At Home store. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited to see how this is going to come together. Continue watching if you want to see. Alright guys, now here comes the fun part, putting everything together. So as you can see, I'm struggling with this rug, but I'm trying to lay it out as best as I can. I got this beautiful rug from Target, and I think it was about $64. It was actually on sale. Isn't it so cute? Adding the chairs. So these were actually two seat cushions that I put together for the chairs, because I couldn't find a matching back for it, so I just used the seat cushion. Creative, huh? And guys, if you notice, a lot of my items still have the tags on them. I do it that way so that if I kind of put things together and I don't quite like how it looks, I always have the option of taking them back. So I wait until I finish putting everything together, then I just go back and take those tags off once I love the finished product. So right here, I'm adding this fern for a little touch of greenery. I also added a fern on the other side of the chair, if you noticed that before. So as you can see, I'm just trying to make sure that it's positioned correctly. Right here, I'm adding a tray that's the perfect size for the table, along with a faux plant. I'm also going to add in a large round jar and these beautiful plastic lemons for that beautiful summer pop of color. I just love how that looks. Then I added a little sign that says "Chase That Dream." I also got this relax sign that I found at Burlington that matches the pillows. So I love the way that kind of all came together. So I found these cute lanterns at the at-home store, and I just added in some LED candles. Are they so cute? And the last thing I added to complete the space was a citronella candle. So I found this beautiful candle at Walmart for about $5. And this is how everything came together. I was really pleased on the transformation that I made on the patio. It's just really inviting. This is my summer oasis. I love just sitting out here, sipping on wine, talking to my girlfriends. And it just really came together. And for an added touch, I also added string lights at the top and a little bit of artwork on the wall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment and let me know what you really loved about the patio. Smooches!